Apparo Tutorials. Embedding business cases. In this tutorial we will show how to integrate business cases directly in Cognos reports. We also show how to use filter values from Cognos prompts to filter business case data. We open the Apparo Designer via the Designer link. Our goal is to embed the table business case. To do this, we open the edit view of the business case by clicking on the link name. Then we go to tab, Link to IBM Cognos Analytics. You can link Apparo to the Cognos portal, to reports, or to dashboards. Today we need the second option, link to reports. Here you will find 4 possibilities, but we only need the first one. The other possibilities will be covered in later tutorials. We copy the expression string from possibility 1 by clicking the copy button. Then we switch to Cognos and open the report. We have prepared here a Cognos prompt for the product lines, which we will use later as filter. Then we go to the toolbox and drag the HTML item under Advanced to the desired position. With a double click we open the expression editor and paste the copied string there. The second line of the expression contains the primary key parameter that would automatically filter the list view. We simply delete it. Our list view will be filtered later by the prompt. In the third line, we can set the size of the list view. We set it to 700 pixel and 1250. Then we click OK and close the edit mode to check the result. The list view is displayed, and we can start editing the data directly. The next step is to connect the Cognos prompt and the list view. We switch back to the Apparo Designer and create a report variable. Report variables are used to pass any values from Cognos to Apparo, in our example, the values of the product line prompt. We click on Add and Report Variable. We use selected product lines as name. Then we click OK. The variable appears in the list of the user-defined variables. We go to the widgets list and open the edit view of the filter widget for the product lines. We go to Mapping and Other and enter the just created variable, manually or using the variables picker as default value for this filter widget. At this point, the filter widget is expecting a number value, while the Cognos prompt delivers string values only. The reason is, the value of the lookup key is of type numeric ID. To use the output values as a filter, we need to add another parameter. We enter, use labels, double point. This parameter, and other information, can be displayed when activating the description mode, using the hanging green button on the very right side. We go to the tab, Link to Cognos. Our expression string was extended by an additional parameter for the report variable, selected product lines. We copy the string and save the changes before returning to the Cognos report. We enter the edit mode again and change the source type of the HTML item from text to report expression. This allows us to select the prompt parameter and replace it with the placeholder. We delete the primary one parameter, otherwise it would be automatically filtered upon it. Then we insert the prompt parameter for the placeholder. and change the height and width to the previous values. We made all necessary settings, and are ready for the final test now. We filter for one product line. It works fine. Also filtering for several product lines is working fine too. Questions? Send an email to support@apparo.solutions.